Hey everybody, Christopher Ingerson here, Artistic SEO Solutions. And today, let's talk about your Google Business Profile and why it is so important for your business to succeed. Your Google Business Profile is your local listing. It's a snapshot representation of your business online. And it is going to take and be the first thing you should do to have an online presence. And on top of that, it's one of the first places that people are going to take and look when they're searching for your services. So, why set up a business profile? Well, you may be saying to yourself, well, I've got a website. What do I need a profile for? Because your profile is going to show up in Google Maps, and it is going to be one of the first things that is displayed when people are doing a search for the services that you offer. It gives your business credibility and trust. It increases your visibility, your accessibility, your online presence. Because I got news for you. People are searching for your services right now. Every single day, millions of searches are going on. And let's face it, we've gone beyond telephone books and regular print advertisement as the sole way that we gain new customers. Word of mouth is fantastic, but we've got to take and start somewhere. And online presence, 98% of all consumers out there use Google. And most of the consumers out there that are searching for service based industries and products, they look up on Google first. So it's very, very critical to be able to have a Google business profile. So the key features of your Google business profile, it allows you to showcase your business with photos. It allows you to talk about your business on a regular basis by applying updates. Gives you your business information, quick snapshot. People can find out where you're located, your phone number, how to get a hold of you. And it allows people to see what other customers are saying about your business in the form of reviews. So, optimizing your Google business profile. Let's get into the nitty gritty. So, you set up your business profile, but it's not showing up. Well, guess what? That's most businesses don't take and show up on the top three because only the top three profiles are displayed on the front page. You can always click on that little button at the bottom that says show more, but a lot of people don't. So you really want to strive to be in the top three. Well, how do you do that? You need to take and optimize your profile. You need to have quality visuals. What do I mean by that? You need to have photos that are the right size. Google will tell you what size they recommend. And those photos need to be high quality photos. And I'm not just talking about the clarity of the photo, I'm talking about the content of the photo. If you're taking a snapshot with your cell phone and it's crooked, don't put that up there. It looks very amateurish and people just, they go, no, it has a negative impact. So you want high quality visuals. It needs to be a positive representation of your business. Now, I can give you tips for selecting and uploading photos. They need to be relevant to your business. If you got a brick and mortar store, you need to have good photos of your business on the outside, business on the inside. You need to have photos that are showing you interacting with happy customers. If you've got a restaurant, you need to show your restaurant, taking photos of your restaurant at capacity. You need to have a compelling business description. This is where you can take and insert keywords. You need to emphasize selling points. What makes you the business that they should choose? You need to highlight key services and show that choosing you will bring value to them. You need to encourage customer reviews. So, how do you ask that? Well, there are various different ways that you can encourage this. You can have postcards. with your business name and ask people to leave you a review. You can ask for a positive review when you're done taking care of the customer when the contract's been fulfilled. But you need to request reviews from satisfied customers. You need to have a strategy for handling negative reviews because unfortunately, there are people out there that are extraordinarily petty. I recently saw somebody that had left a negative review because a contractor did not answer the phone when they were calling to set up an appointment for an estimate, and it threw their rating down. Now, the problem is the customer or the contractor did not bother to reply. So that's a strategy that we can take and talk about. You need to have consistent reviews that are coming in on a regular basis. Google tends to prefer businesses that have consistent reviews because it shows that they are in business and active business. All right. You need to have accurate information for your profile. You need to have your correct address, your correct phone number, your correct website, all of those various different things. So, the importance of local SEO. The importance of local SEO. This is slightly different than search engine optimization for your website. This is mainly targeting the local listings. So, the basics on this using targeted keywords to attract the right kind of customers. Basically, that's referring to if you run a business and there is one specific thing that you do the most of and you want to target um, that particular job, you would use keywords that are targeting that job and not something else. You want to geotag certain photos, not all of them, but certain photos that are geographically imprinted with a location. It's going to take and help in your rankings. You want to use high quality and relevant content in your description. You can also use targeted keywords to describe your business. This is where you get a chance to show that your business stands out from everybody else's in the old pick me, pick me. You need to add new content and update your information consistently. This is where the update section of your Google Business Profile comes really useful. You can use that update section to talk about upcoming trends, a new product, change of season, ways to prepare for it, all sorts of different things. And you need to do that regularly. My suggestion is do it weekly. You will see an increase in your Google Business Profile rankings. Now, by doing all these things, what does it impact? Well, it impacts your ranking. You appear more in local map packs, and you're going to attract nearby customers actively searching for your products and services. So, your Google Business Profile is your local listing and is everything that we've described here. This is the last thing I want to take and point out for you. Your Google Business Profile is going to represent 46% of all of the clicks to your website from search traffic is going to come from your business profile. Now, if you don't have a business profile set up and you just have a website and you're lucky enough to have that website on the first page, you're missing out on 46% of those potential customers. That's a tremendous amount of opportunity being missed out on. So it's very important to have a properly maintained and optimized profile. Start taking control of your business online. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this. You need to take action today and claim your online presence. Start showing up in local search results. If you don't have time to do this yourself, hire a professional to manage your GBP to save you time so that you can concentrate on running your business. I'd love to be able to have a conversation with you. We offer free consultation. You can visit my website or call me now. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a fantastic day.